I don't know if you can see the little baby birdies sticking their heads over. Little baby things. Looks like they're sleeping. I was thinking about taking this nest down just because they're pooping all over the ground here. The mommy and daddy birds, but no, I can't. Now they got their home for a while. We're over here at my mom's house. She's coming home from vacation today, so mowed the yard and did a little maintenance and stuff. So hope y'all are having a good day. Just wanted to show y'all some birdies.